Hi, this is Jacob Reed. I just want to show the benefits of using a template and headings. And so I've opened two documents. One is this document that I've written, and the other document is this template. And the template, I've put in some headings. If you look in the top right up here, you can see heading, sub-level heading 1, sub-level heading 2. And scrolling down here to past the acknowledgments to the introduction. So you can see that when I click on this word introduction up here, this chapter title is highlighted. That's because this style is the chapter title style. And in the middle here in this paragraph, that's the body text style. Here it says first level subheading. When I click on that, you'll see it jumps over here to sub-level heading 1, second level subheading, that's sub-level heading 2, and sub-level heading 3 is right here. Sub-level heading 4 is right here, and that you have to move over here, and there's sub-level heading 4. And then we even have a fifth level right here, which kind of starts a paragraph, but it's bolded. Now, why is this helpful? I'll show you in just a second here. So let's imagine that I want to change this document into this dissertation template format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, Save As, and then instead of, you'll see up there at the top, it says dissertation template. I'm going to just save it as a new name, like dissertation draft, let's say. And I'll just save it right there. And now I've got this information over here in my other document that I want to move over. So here's my, let's say this is my chapter title here. Or let's say that, so I'm going to copy this, How Christian Faith Shapes Learning, etc., etc. And let's say that I want that to be a first level subheading. I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to push paste. Oh, and then I need to do match destination formatting. Oh, that didn't look very well, did it? I'm going to just do keep text only. Push enter. Let's highlight this again. Oh, look, it says body text. We need to change that to sub-level heading 1. So we're going to change it right there. And look at that. Boom. It centers it. It bolds it. And I'm just going to copy a whole bunch of my text here. Actually, let's just do it this way. I'm just going to copy all of this, several paragraphs anyway, and move it over here to this. And I'm going to just dump it all in here, just like this. And I'm just going to keep it as just text. So now I have just text here. You see after the introduction, and it says body text. Now let's say that I want, oops, and that's stuck out there a little bit. So let's say that I want to add a title here. I'll put overview. Now all I have to do, this is going to be my first level, so I'll just go up here and I'll click on sub-level heading 1, and it should center it and bold it automatically for me. And then let's say that down here a little bit further I need another title. So let's say that we'll call this historical reasons, whatever that means. And then I can change this to whatever kind of heading I want. This will be heading 2, just like that. Now if you'll notice over here, if we go up to view, and if we go to sidebar, navigation, here's the nice thing that starts happening. You see I've added this overview section right here, and over here it starts to create an outline for me. Now we have overview and I have historical reasons. Let's say that I want to add another section. I'll put philosophical reasons, and I'll highlight that, and that will be the same level, sub-level heading 2, and boom, over here on the left side, under my overview, I now have 2 points, historical reasons and philosophical reasons. I can even add another point down here. I'll put sociological reasons, and that will be my third point, so that'll be sub-level heading 2. And look right there, 3 sublevel heading 2s. Now let's say that under philosophical reasons I have a couple of things I want to add. So I can go here and I need to add a sublevel 3. So like maybe educational theory, let's say. And I'll just go like that, sublevel heading 3, and you'll notice under philosophical reasons on the left side, I have educational theory, and it's automatically formatted as the correct type of sublevel heading. I highly recommend using a template like this with the headings already pre-programmed, like I've created, because over here on the left side, it starts to create an outline of your project, of your dissertation. If you use the headings that are programmed, then it does it this way for you. If you do not use headings like this left side here will be blank, and it will be like you're flying blind, and it's difficult to navigate through your document. For these reasons, I highly recommend using a template that has sublevel headings and using headings as often as you need to.